Welcome to our tutorial on how to unzip files to your desired location on Windows 10. In this guide, we will show you the step-by-step process of extracting zipped files using the built-in File Explorer. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. Have you ever come across a zipped file and wondered how to extract its contents to a specific folder? Well, you're in luck. Follow these simple steps to unzip files to your desired location on Windows 10. Step 1. Open File Explorer on your Windows 10 computer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon located on the taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Step 2. Browse to the folder where the zipped file is located. You can navigate through your computer's directories on the left-hand side of the File Explorer window. Step 3. Once you have located the zipped file, right-click on it. A context menu will appear. Step 4. From the context menu, select the Extract Files option. This will open a new dialog box. Step 5. In the dialog box, browse and select the folder where you want to extract the zipped files. You can choose any existing folder or create a new one. Step 6. After selecting the desired folder, click the OK button to start the extraction process. And there you have it! You have successfully unzipped the files to your desired location on Windows 10. Congratulations on successfully extracting zipped files to your desired location on Windows 10 using File Explorer. This method allows you to organize and access your files conveniently. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy managing your zipped files effortlessly on Windows 10.